My name is Miloud Zombo. I'm from Algeria. I have 28 years. I'm traveling the bicycle. I want to run the world with a bicycle with my friend, of course. I'm uh, I'm working in the Africa in 2 years, 8 months. Not smoke shisha today. Why you are tired? Tell me. In the Congo Brazzaville in the north, I make boat with my friend Javier and rocks. We travel the 4 days in the river of Congo. It's good history. It's the good stories for me in Africa because it's have crocodile, it's have hippo, it's have many animals will, but it's good experience. I love this experience. And the water in in the river is very dirty, but it's okay. You can drink because it's not have salt, and this cook just rice on the road and fishing, and the coffee is necessary. And the coffee in the morning with shisha.
Rocks.
And
Rocks.
I'm lucky I'm not see the hippo because it's very dangerous, especially in my boat. My boat is really bad. All the time I am not alone. All the time it's with my bird, but my bird is speak, is talk, it's angry sometimes. It's like the friend. Like that I'm not alone. You see this bag? It's have many birds they sleep here. On the road, sometimes I'm seeing the bird is make accident with the car and is not die. I'm help, and this is place for sleeping. I'm give the food, I'm give the water, and I'm help for 1 week, 7 days, sometimes 10 days. After is going, just this one, it's all the time with me. I'm not like the water is stopping place. I'm like the water in the river. Yeah, for that I'm traveling because I'm all the time I'm not dirty. I clean myself.